An abscess is a collection of pus that is built up within the tissue of the body. And if you're a popaholic, you've probably seen plenty of them online. I'm Watson, and today we're going to destigmatize abscesses. Oh, and fair warning, this video will contain graphic medical conditions and a whole lot of pus. So what is an abscess? As I mentioned, it's a confined pocket of pus that collects in tissues, organs, or spaces inside the body. When an area in the body becomes infected, the body's immune system sends white blood cells to fight the infection. These cells collect and combine with the damaged tissue and germs, creating liquid called pus. An abscess is characterized by a painful, swollen lump that's filled with pus. Treatments include draining the abscess and antibiotics. And did you know that they're actually quite common? It's estimated that there are hundreds of thousands of these cases every year. However, they can actually be quite dangerous. If you suspect that you have an abscess, go to a doctor immediately. This is not limited to emergency or urgent care. So what causes these unsightly medical conditions? According to Healthline.com, the root cause is bacteria. Staph is the most common bacterial cause of skin abscesses. A skin abscess can be the result of a bacterial infection that occurs when staph enters the body through a hair follicle or through a wound or injury that has punctured or broken the skin. You're at increased risk for this bacterial infection if you have close contact with an individual who has a staph infection, which is why these infections are more common in hospitals, a chronic skin disease like acne or eczema, diabetes, a weakened immune system, which can be caused by infections such as HIV, or poor hygiene habits. So how can you identify an abscess? An abscess often appears as a bump on the skin similar to a pimple. However, it can grow over time and resemble a cyst filled with fluid. Depending on the cause of the abscess, other symptoms may also be present. These symptoms may include fever, nausea, chills, swelling, lesions on the skin, inflamed skin, and fluid drainage from the abscess. Again, if you suspect that you have an abscess, I recommend consulting a doctor. And with all of our videos, don't take any medical advice from us. This is an informative YouTube video, but it should be not confused with a real medical evaluation. Please click like if you support our mission of destigmatizing medical conditions like this. If you haven't subscribed, please click that button. And if you are a subscriber, don't forget about that notification bell for our regular updates. Now let's listen to a testimonial about Rest More. It's my very favorite sleep formula. But before I let you go, thank you for letting me entertain you every week. It is an honor. And now, a word about Rest More, my favorite sleep supplement.
Rest More, I found, has been great for me to fall asleep quickly in a really natural, gentle, mild way. I don't have the same problems that I do with prescription sleep medicine, being groggy the next morning. With Rest More, I'm able to fall asleep fast, stay asleep all night, and then when I wake up the next morning, I have a ton of energy and I'm well rested and ready to take on the day. Highly recommend Rest More. You should go check it out.
Rest More helps you obtain natural sleep without all the side effects of prescription or over-the-counter medication. It's all natural and safe to use every night. So what are you waiting for? Try Rest More today and start getting a full night's sleep.